Hello, we're Elizabeth and John. We're sitting on board Coric, a recently restored 50-year-old Contessa 32. This YouTube channel was originally intended to simply document the restoration. That completed in April. We've had a few months of sailing together inside and out of the Solent in preparation for a much longer trip in the new year.
So we've been learning to sail together, either the two of us or with guests, sometimes a solo trip on my own. We've learned a lot in doing that, and very much by popular request we're going to carry on making videos about the experience of light-handed sailing and light-handed sailing this type of boat.
This is going to be a record of how we sail together. It would also, we would also like to think that it would be a good reference, a useful reference for anybody about to set out either on their own boat or as a guest on another boat. We're going to try to talk through not just what happens, but why it happens that way. We
both get a surprising amount of pleasure from making these videos and indeed receiving the comments that we get. We would be very grateful if you would like and subscribe and indeed comment about things that you would like to see if there's some way that we can help you with your sailing.
Thank you
very much for watching.